I know this is commonly asked, but what happens if you break your fast on purpose? Consequences. Deadly. Deadly consequences. If someone breaks the fast on purpose, I'm not talking about mistakenly. If let's say you were making wudu and mistakenly water went inside, there are two opinions. One is you continue that day and give another fast. The other opinion is, which is easier, and I go for the easier one for the ummah, that it's okay, you were not intending to, it just happened unintentionally, you can continue your fast. Okay, by mistake. I'm not talking about forgetfulness. Forgetfulness is already allowed. It's rizq that Allah gave you. No problem. Don't tell the person, oh brother, you're eating food. Let him have a sip or two. Remind him afterwards. It's okay. Because Allah is giving you mercy. Don't take away that mercy from him. Right? But intentionally, brothers, it is extremely dangerous. If someone says, I don't care, and he goes and breaks his fast, it's worse than not fasting. It's worse than not fasting. I will share with you one hadith. A friend of mine sent it to me today. Imam al-Bani graded this as Sahih. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was shown some people. Some of them were literally sitting, and angels were coming in hellfire and tearing upon their skins from here, like this. Like this. These people were being punished, and Prophet said, why are they being punished like this? Prophet ﷺ was told in that hadith that these people, they used to break their fast on purpose. Imagine the punishment of those who don't even care about fasting and they don't want to fast. It's okay. Imagine their punishment, how deadly that is going to be, right? So it has great dangerous consequences in the hereafter, purposely breaking the fast. In this dunya, there is a penalty. You want to make that tawbah, you don't want to be punished like that in the hellfire, you have to do 60 fasting. If you can't afford 60 fasting, your body does not let you, then you should do 60 people. Feed 60 people. Sponsor a dinner. Community iftar. Miskeen, but it has to be miskeen. So probably students iftar is the one where miskeen people don't have food at home, inshallah. I've been through this, recently a lot.